is Raj and I represent India in the Mr. Universe contest. Vote for me. Now, enjoy the presentation of a typical Indian musical instrument and then a dance.